Ano ba?
Oh, dyan lang. Ano for him to sleep regular? Again, come on. Limited time only. Limited time only. Yung ano natin, yung discard na natin sa after na lang.
You need to, you need to pray for him and bless him. Ate Lita, Ate Yasi. Oh. Yeah.
Ganun?
Ate of Aidan.
Is this
It's only 2 days. 2 days.
Can you imagine 2 days?
It's